Oh, get the sausages all muddy.
Welcome to the World Cross Country Championships at Mount Panorama, Bathurst for 2023. So this event's going to have athletes from around the globe at this exciting event. So including athletes from Australia, of course. So the cross country is going to be on grass, gravel, sand, a bit of mud, mixing it up so it's not a flat, easy course. It's going to be a bit tough and grueling. So I can't wait to watch this and see what happens. So if you don't know, Mount Panorama is a race track. It's a site of the great race in Australia, the Bathurst 1000, in October every year. 1,000 kilometres, about 161 laps of a 6.2 kilometre circuit. So great event, but it's good that they have other events here too instead of just the car races. So this section here is a Bondi Beach section with a gravelly sand, complete with lifeguard hut and surfboards. Hopefully there's no sharks here. Part of the course goes through a private vineyard here, so we can't access that part where the vineyard is, but you can look at it anyway. So the temperature is going to be in the mid-30s this afternoon for the racing. I'm glad I'm just spectating today. It's going to be hot. This is the Billabong section behind me, so the runners are going to have to run through all this mud. Doesn't look like fun, but they've got to do it.
As a sportsman, as an administrator, in terms of all aspects of your life, will be great.
Year 1987, I was still in secondary school and won the Irish National Senior Cross Country Championships, and 2 weeks after winning the Junior Championship, so I must have been still on a high after winning the Juniors because I didn't expect to win that.
From overseas and other parts of Australia, we welcome you here on sacred ground.
To also thank you for your resilience and your forbearance. Probably only the athletes in the last 2 or 3 years have shown more resilience. And let me thank all of you for your ability to have withstood those challenges around COVID.
Just very quickly, I just want to acknowledge everybody that's been involved. Even the people that are here today as part of the audience and the crowd, you are part of history.
I did the
Just about 3.5 minutes away from the start.
Go.
So then it's going to
Get him, Ollie! Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy!
No, I'm saying
Kasai of Ethiopia. This is one of the bits. I mean, there's not really any time that you're absolutely running on flat. You're up and down and taking twists and turns all the time.
They're about 1.5 metres, 2 metres wide. They've all 5 opposite because it is a smaller field for us. And when we see the larger packs in these other races later on, there's our leading two come up and we'll pass over to Mitch Dyer, who's right there with it.
The Bruce have just made their way past, and don't forget they have to remember to take that wristband off as well. We saw Ollie have to do that early. South Africa just got the nudge.
In action on this course, we've already had plenty, hundreds of runners who really churn this course up even more as we get into the most exciting but tough. The Australian flags are up and about here. Jess looks probably the most comfortable, ladies and gentlemen. She's going to feed off the energy. It's a once in 25-year opportunity to be here on home soil. We've got a lot on to do here.
3 medals ever at a world cross country, and here we are in the prime position coming up to halfway.
A star on the rise, so she will.
Wait, she's 8 seconds back. She's 8 seconds back.
Moving, she knows this course well. She would have her tactics in mind.
She's in it with the home straight.
Moving nicely around this technical aspect of the course. We're coming up to the hill in the second half, and let's hope to see something on her legs there. Won 3 medals in total, with Danita winning gold in 2004 in Brussels. We've had 2 10s
Up the hill, it's got to be up the hill.
Let's see if we can add to that today. Let's get behind our
That's where she'll get it.
team, everybody.
So one last.
There's a women's under 20 6Ks, it's 3 laps. Go Aussies! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie!
Still looking so strong.
Keep going! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! The men's under 20 8Ks, 4 laps.
I'm hoping join in.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie!
Go Australia! Go Australia!
Almost there!
Well done!
This is the senior women's 10K. They've got 5 laps of a grueling course.
Oh, getting those nice shoes all muddy.
Woo! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Go Aussies!
coming up.
Oh, go Aussie!
Let's go, ladies! You're doing great! You're doing great, ladies!
Julian! Go Aussie!
Yeah, good job! Job!
So we're still running. Secondary race, spectators getting to the next location.
No, it's good when they're okay.
Va chica, muy bien, venga, Cris, va, venga, juntar, va, va, va. Va, Naima, eso es, va, va, va.
Naima, vamos, vamos, vamos. Aguanta, vamos. Venga, Caro, vamos, va.
Waiting to cross. Got to quickly cross before the runners come back again.
Come on. Ellie. Ashley. Yeah, I reckon
The 2022 World Championship, the defending silver medalist.
Men's 10K is about to start.
Two-time senior men's world cross-country champion, a 2019 bronze medalist representing Kenya.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
They're not going to come
No, they've pulled them off. They've pulled them off.
Go Aussies! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie!
Come on, boys! Come on, boys!
Back to that lineup of cross-country runners any time. It's a tough course. It's brutal. It's gone. They're going to get to the chicane for the first time. There's a lot going through their mind right now, isn't there? I mean, they're experiencing weather that even these guys wouldn't have experienced a hold on, particularly during the race. I mean, Candy leads, he was they go, and there we have that list there, Jess.
Yeah, so Rain is sitting in 21st now.
Yeah, flags down. Yeah, that's a good lightning strike. Oh, it's not. It's timber.
So that was a wet end to the World Cross Country Championships. The rain's bucketing down now. It's a big electrical storm after the hot weather today. So just watched the finish of the men's and just made a mad dash for the car. So congratulations to Uganda who won the men's. But it was a great event. Good to actually be a spectator and not be involved, just enjoy watching it. But hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Va, chica, muy bien, venga, Cris, va, Laura. Venga, a juntar, va, va, va. Va, Naima, eso es, va, va, va. Naima, vamos, vamos, vamos.